Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you best ways to get T tokens in Teen Titans Battleground. So yeah. So the best way to do it is using Robin and his bow staff. And if you want to heal with Robin, all you need to do is just go to an area where there's not a lot of people and just use your smoke bomb. Okay, so see how like this? I can use my smoke bomb to go like that. And I can just go over here and heal. So that's what you want to do with Robin. Or if you want to get someone from far away, you can go like that with Birdering. With a Birdering. So the game is this game right here. And if you play it, this will be a very helpful video. So if you just want to have fun, just use like not Beast Boy or yeah. If you want to have fun and just like get kills and stuff, use Robin if you want to get kills, or use like Starfire or well, it's your choice. I'm just saying these are like the best options. So those are like good ways to level up and get these. I can buy a mammoth. I don't want to buy any of these. I'm gonna get wave 2. Okay, so guys, the game does really stuff. It's a very good game, and it's like pretty fun if you just want to have like fun on Roblox. And now you did. Now you did. Wait, have you not killed that other guy? Boo! Die. Oh! Boo! Die. Maybe death notification. Death is upon us, my brother and sister. Death is upon us, my brother and sister. They gave alien in You can also get other characters than the Teen Titans. Yeet. I'm on the edge of light. No! How did I do it? No! I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay, well, that's it for the video.